Okay, today we will discuss about some basic principles and types and application is related to internal combustion engine. Internal combustion engine, it is one of the categories under the piston engines. So what is the basic principle of piston engine? Any idea about the basic principle of piston engine? So piston engine, it is application from thermodynamics concept. So the basic main principle of thermodynamic concept is fuel energy is converted into mechanical energy, and finally the mechanical energy goes to the electrical energy. So under that category, in piston engine, there is some type of cycles will be acted here. And before we will go into that topic, we will any one of you will discuss about what are the components will be incorporated in the piston engines.
Having pistons components are piston's head and crankshafts and the piston rod. Yeah. And we are having injectors, igniters. Yeah, these are the engine's component. Yeah, the injector is used for injecting fuel through the combustion chamber. The igniters, we are calling as a spark plug. Spark plug is used into the using for fuel combustion process. And we are having 4-stroke engine. The 4-stroke is one is compression, one is ignition, another one is exhaust.
Yes, anyone will demand about this
Piston
piston engine?
engine is also known as reciprocating engine, sir. That uses high pressure and high temperature, that converts reciprocating pistons into high temperature and high pressure.
Anyone know about the what are the types of cycles in thermodynamics?
Auto cycles, diesel cycle,
Brayton
Brayton
cycle.
cycle. These are the cycles.
Okay, this piston engine is under the category of which cycle?
Auto cycle.
Yes. Auto cycle, how many of process will be incorporated in auto cycle? What is the another name of auto cycle? There is a constant volume cycle. Because of two constant volume process and two isentropic process. One of the isentropic process is compression, another one is an expansion of process. So it is under the category of auto cycle. What is the fuel air mixture ratio in this piston engine?
Maybe it will be 3:1.
That is in 14:1 is a petrol engine. For the diesel engine, there is in a 10:1. This is the ratio of fuel air mixing concept to burn the fuel, and it will give the some power or thrust of the particular engine. What are the applications of in piston engines?
So the very main application it got started in the automobile sector, and still the automobile sector it has the piston engine, and in the aerospace and aeronautical sector we have the fast vehicles such as Cessna aircraft, which is the very main and the basic thing. So these are all the very main applications I would say for the piston engine.
Okay. Now currently, what is the any new innovations will be implemented to this piston engine concepts? What is the new innovations?
We increase the efficiency through modifying the piston shape and the piston rod.
Any of the recent application for that in automobile sector?
In the
also?
automobile sector, we have the Volkswagen Virtus. It has got some 3 or 4 cylinders, and if the vehicle has got very low load, or there is no need for the engine to work so hard and long, the system shuts down the 2 cylinders. So the engine can operate with its own with the 2 cylinders alone.
Okay. Anyone can conclude about the we have discussed about these adjustments. This is a summary of this session. What is the objective of this? The outcome of this session?
How the piston engines are work, the piston engines components, how much of how we increase the efficiency and how it's operating in applications. That's all we